Hello everyone, I am Dattatreya Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda, New Day, New Topic. And our today's topic is Project Execution Method EPC versus EPCM. In this video, we will cover EPC and concept of EPCM. And if you are new to our channel, then please watch all the videos created related to project and engineering. That will help you to understand the topic betterly, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel eFunda. Let's begin with our today's topic, project execution method EPC versus EPCM. Introduction to project execution method. The objective of today's video is to introduce the concept of EPC contract. The following key terms will be discussed in our today's video. The concept of engineering procurement and construction, abbreviated as EPC, and engineering procurement and construction management, that is EPCM. The type of project executed under EPC and EPCM contract. This will be covered in our today's topic. An EPC contract is a common form of a contracting arrangement within the construction industry. The two most common types of construction contracts are EPC, that is turnkey, and EPCM. Each of these methods has a variations that can be adopted to each project as needed under EPC. EPC is a phase during which the bulk of the project work is carried out. It may represent 80% of the skilled EPC management, supervision manpower, and 95% of the manual construction manpower. This is all about the project execution method, that is EPC and EPCM, under which we will cover this today's topic. Project execution method, that is EPC. Under an EPC contract, the contractor will design the installation, procure the necessary material, and construct it, either through his own labor or by subcontracting part of the work. In an EPC contract, the EPC contractor agrees to complete the project and hand it over to the customer or a client for an agreed fixed amount within an agreed time duration. It also requires good understanding on the part of EPC contractor for profitable execution of the contract. One can refer below the figure where engineering, procurement, and construction activities are defined. Under engineering, plant layout, cost calculation, yield analysis, technical planning, conceptual, basic, and detail engineering, consultancy services. Under procurement, purchasing, logistic services, quality control, and consultancy. Under construction, installation, coordination, site supervision, quality inspection, commissioning, and consultancy services. These are the part covered under EPC. Moving on to continuation of the EPC section, a customer opts for an EPC contract for several vital reasons are as follows. Point number one, the customer has to put in minimum effort for his project and so has less stress. Two, an EPC contract gives the customer a one-point contact. It is easy to monitor and coordinate. Three, it is easy for the customer to get post-commissioning services. Four, an EPC contract ensures quality and reduces practical issues faced in other method. 5. The customer is not affected by any market rise. 6. The financial or a cost investment figure is known at the start of the project. Besides the plant setting, an EPC contract, the customer will define the following: 1. Scope and the specification of the plant. 2. Required quality. 3. Project duration. 4. Cost involved. This is all about the EPC. Now we will see the another method, project execution method, EPCM. EPCM contractor acts as the customer's representative and creates on behalf of the customer direct contractual relationship between the customer and the supplier trade contract. The EPCM contractor is responsible for establishing contractual arrangement on behalf of the owner or principal with other contractors, vendors, subcontractors, and sub-vendors through a tendering process. EPCM contractor is responsible for monitoring and reporting the anticipated outcome cost for the project. Cost shall be estimated, budgeted, reported, forecast, and controlled throughout the project period by the contractor. One can see the EPCM concept where initiation, planning, design and engineering, procurement, execution, and project closeout is monitored and controlled by EPCM contractor. So far, we have seen what is the EPC and EPCM contract. Now, so as to understand the difference between these two, we will see the characteristic difference between EPC and EPCM contract. Structural: in EPC contracting, one can see customer, EPC contractor, specified process engineering, vendors, trade contractor, service provider are covered. Under EPCM, customer is connected with a specified process engineering, vendors, trade contractor, further to the subcontractor, sub vendors, and that will be managed through EPCM contractor. Accountability: contractor is fully accountable in EPC. In EPCM, owner has a multiple point of accountability. Risk: EPC contractor holds the complete risk. EPCM does not hold any risk. Owner holds the risk. Time: fixed date for EPC completion. No fixed completion schedule falling under EPCM contract. Price: EPC contracts are a fixed price contract. EPCM is a schedule of rate or a cost plus type. Procurement: EPC contractor responsible for procurement. Under EPCM, procurement as an agent for the owners only and not doing procurement on his own. Continues to the difference between EPC and EPCM. Quality performance guarantee: EPC contractor guarantees performance of completed facility. EPCM contractor does not provide performance guarantee. Owner's involvement: EPC contractor in control, owner in control under EPCM contract. Defective work services: EPC contractor to rectify any defect. EPCM assists owner to manage a rectification of defects. Advantages: under EPCM: 1. One stop shopping, one point of contact. 2. Hands off approach to project. 3. Minimal staffing requirement. 4. Minimal legal risk. 5. Best for well defined project with detailed EPC contractor. Under EPCM contractor, advantages are: 1. Lower overall cost. 2. Staff sense of ownership. 3. More control over process. 4. Better for less defined project with anticipated changes to scope of supply. 5. Less legal litigation. Identify issue early and remedy situation before larger problem arise. This is how the points are covered based on the characteristics, and hope this difference will help you to understand the concept of EPC and EPCM contract. So far, we have seen what is EPC and EPCM concept. Also, we have seen the difference between these two contracts. Now we will move on to topic of list of project executed by contractor. The industrial revolution changed the face of industrialization. Different industry sectors in which engineering activities are carried out are complex, and one can keep it up to date through industrial magazine, newspaper, and articles. However, we will limit our scope to important sector which emphasizes the concept of EPC contracting. The details are as follows: the oil and gas, power energy industry, petroleum industry, infrastructure development industry, mining industry, pharmaceutical industry, cement industry, chemical industry, and other types of manufacturing industries are worked on the EPC or EPCM contract. This is how the list of projects are being executed under EPC or EPCM contract. Hope our today's video will give you the idea of project execution method, that is EPC versus EPCM, and you will have a better understanding on EPC and EPCM contract. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thank you. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic, and you can find our channel details as follows. If you are new to our channel, that is our YouTube channel eFunda, then subscribe to our channel eFunda, and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest notification of upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Similarly, you can follow us on a Instagram page. Similarly, you can follow us on our Facebook page as well. And keep watching our channel eFunda for various topics related to engineering and a project. With this, we can assure you this will help you to better your understanding on engineering and a project topic. Keep watching our channel eFunda. Thanks. Watch our channel for new day, new topic.